Universe is saying to you today, my lovely child, let it happen organically. Let everything that is meant for you effortlessly flow. It is your birthright to reach your highest vibe. You will receive help from guardian angels along the way. Give thanks for the divine support you are receiving. The universe operates in very mysterious ways, so make sure to never give up on yourself. Keep your energy pure and trust your gut. Listen to your heart in any times of doubt. You are loved. Type Amen if you believe, and also subscribe the channel